In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Barclays Error Code 0002. If you're seeing this message, don't worry, this error is usually temporary and easy to resolve with a few quick checks. I'll walk you through each action, explain why it helps, and share simple tips so you can get back into your account with confidence. Start by fully closing the Barclays app and then reopening it. Don't just minimize it, make sure it's completely shut down from your recent apps or app switcher so it isn't running in the background. Wait a couple of seconds, relaunch the app and try again. This simple reset clears any momentary glitches in the app's session and often solves the problem right away. If that doesn't do it, check your internet connection. Banking apps need a stable and secure connection to communicate with the bank's servers. Make sure you're on reliable Wi-Fi or have strong mobile data. A quick way to test this is to open another app or website and see if it loads quickly. If things seem slow or spotty, move closer to your router. Toggle airplane mode on and off to refresh your signal, or switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see which is more stable. If you're using a VPN, try turning it off, as some banking services can block or limit connections coming through VPNs. Still seeing the error? Uninstall and reinstall the Barclays app to refresh it completely. This clears any corrupted files or outdated components that might be causing the issue. Before you remove the app, make sure you're ready to sign back in and can receive any security codes on your registered device. After reinstalling, open the app and log in again. Another simple approach is to wait a few minutes and try logging in again. Error 0002 often appears during brief maintenance windows or when traffic is unusually high. Giving it a short break allows server sessions to reset and can resolve the issue without any further action. If none of these steps work, the safest move is to wait and try again later. In many cases, this code indicates a server-side glitch that only the bank can fix. Give it some time and check back periodically. When the system stabilizes, your login should work as normal, and that's it. By fully closing the app, checking your connection, reinstalling if needed, trying again after a few minutes, and waiting when it's server related, you should be able to fix Barclays Error Code 0002 and get back to your banking.